Hi, I'm JT Clough, and this is our first day with Big Island Dog Beach Shack. We've just opened up in the Ali'i Gardens Marketplace. Come on down and see us. We've got all kinds of things going on here. We have natural remedies. We have dog treats that are made for itching, scratching, and licking. We have dog jewelry done by Barb Hanson, and all kinds of other fun stuff. 100% Kona coffee from our farm in Kailua, Hawaii. We have dog training classes. For those of you who live here, we have Canine Cross Fitness at Thursdays at 5 o'clock. We have dog tricks training class at 9 a.m. on Saturday morning, so come on down and see us. For those of you who are visiting, take a present home for your dog. We've got all kinds of things here that are made in Hawaii for you and for your dog.